My name is Taylor McKinney, and I'm going into my third year as an animal sciences food animal student. I'm currently interning with the 4-H agent, Dr. Nancy Moores, in Hernando County at IFAS Extension Hernando. During my time here, I have put on a beef cattle workshop. I've worked on a program called Hernando Fit Kids, where we coordinated videos with 4-H students in Hernando County. A lot of it was answering emails and ensuring that I have speakers for those events and that I have coordinated with everyone the specific times and dates that we're filming. My beef cattle workshop was a 3-rotation workshop, so we actually brought in Allison Trimble, our livestock judging coach and academic program specialist, to talk about showmanship and selection, and then Laura Bennett, who is Pasco, Hernando, and Sumter's livestock agent, came and talked about our nutrition rotation. We had students, around 50 of them, come and work on all 3 of those skills. We had a novice group and a more experienced group, and we split those up, and we were able to run the workshop that way. During my sophomore year, in the fall semester, I took Careers in the Livestock Industry with Joel McQuaig and Amy Imler, and Amy informed us of the opportunity, so she suggested that I apply, and I went on through the CALS website and applied through there. After applying, I received notice of acceptance, and I was placed into a 1-credit class, which is called Building a Foundation for Extension Internship Success. And in that class, we all got to meet together with some advisors, and we kind of went over the basics of extension and learned a little bit more about the land-grant institution. I've learned a lot about 4-H. I only have a background in FFA, so I really didn't know all that much about 4-H. So it's been really interesting seeing the differences, but also seeing how 4-H works through university. It's really cool to see all of the events that are put on through University of Florida that 4-H students are able to participate in. My favorite part of my internship has been working on my beef cattle workshop. Seeing the process from start to finish of putting on an event like this was really cool. I've never planned an event of this capacity. I would say that this internship has helped me to realize where it is that I want to be in the future. We'd always been advised to go ahead and do as many internships as we can so we can figure it out what it is that we want to do in the future. I would advise students to go ahead and take any opportunity that they might have to complete an internship as an undergrad. I think that it's really helpful to figure out what you're interested in, but also so you can get a feel for what it might be to actually work in that field.